హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు జై తెలుగు మంత్ర. ఈరోజు మనం 2025 జై మెయిన్స్ ఫంక్షన్స్ బిట్స్ నేర్చుకుందాం. ఇంతకుముందు మనం వీడియోలో చిన్న బేసిక్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాము. ఆ బేసిక్ ప్రకారం 2023 జై మెయిన్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాం. సేమ్ మోడల్స్ 25లో కూడా అక్కడక్కడ రిపీట్ అవుతున్నాయి. కాబట్టి చక్కగా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకొని ఫంక్షన్స్లో 1 or 2 బిట్స్ని ఈజీగా జేఈ మెయిన్స్లో చేయడానికి మేము సన్నిద్ధంగా ఉన్నాం. మీరు కూడా ఛానల్ చూస్తూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తూ మమ్మల్ని ఎంకరేజ్ చేస్తూ ఉండండి. డైలీ మేము కూడా రకరకాల వీడియోస్ మీకు ఎంపీసీలో జేఈ మెయిన్స్ సంబంధించినవి పెడుతూ ఉంటాం. చక్కగా ఛానల్ని ఇప్పటిదాకా మమ్మల్ని ఆదరించారు. 600 సబ్స్క్రైబర్స్ ఉన్నారు ప్రస్తుతానికి. ఇదే ఆదరణ కంటిన్యూ చేయండి. మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేస్తూ మమ్మల్ని ముందు నడిపిస్తారని ప్రార్థిస్తున్నాం. ఈరోజు మనం జేఈ 25 బిట్స్ చేద్దాం. ఇఫ్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2, x belongs to R, then sigma k is equal to 1 to 81, then f of k by 82 is equal to, the options here 81 root 2, 41 and 82, and is 81 by 2. See this question, the last video also the same question will be repeated here. JEE 25, 23 and 24 same questions repeated. Again 25 also the same question is repeated in number of times. Here f of x is given and we have to find out sigma k is equal to 1 to 81 f of k by 82. If we substitute k is equal to 1 here, 1 by 82 plus 2 by 82, 3 by 82 and so on, 81 by 82. Like this, just we observe this one, we keep in one mind one formula, that is f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. Just by applying this, we get the answer. By saying sigma k is equal to 1 to 81, just we apply 1 to 81, just we know in formula, strike this formula, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1. Now first you check it here, f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1. Fx is given 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2, and in the place of x you replace 1 minus x, 2 power 1 minus x by 2 power 1 minus x plus root 2. Now apply a power m minus n, a power m by a power n, a power m by a power n plus root 2. Take LCM in the denominator part. 2 by 2 power x is equal to 2 plus root 2 into 2 power x by 2 power x. Now here 2 by 2 power x plus 2 power x by 2 plus root 2 into 2 power x. Here 2 power x cancel. Here 2 by, here you take common, root 2 common, that is root 2 plus 2 power x, here root 2 times. For this is f of 1 minus x, that means root 2 by root 2 plus 2 power x. Now I substitute whatever you know the one formula, f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to, f of x is equal to 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2, and f of 1 minus x is equal to root 2 by 2 power x plus root 2. See here the denominators are same. Just you apply addition of numerator 2 power x plus root 2 by, this is also 2 power x plus root 2. Now 2 power x plus root 2, 2 power x plus root 2, both are cancelled. We get f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1. Just you observe the question here. Whenever plus sigma will be there, just to obtain f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1, just to substitute here. In the examination, just you didn't do this one, because when you observe the problem, just to understand f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. After that, we have to do in that practice. Here, just to understanding purpose, I wrote f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1. Now we substitute k is equal to 1 to 81 in the given function. In the given function, we substitute here k is equal to 1 to k is equal to 81 by using f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1. You see here sigma k is equal to 1 to 81 f of k by 82. Now sigma means plus addition. Now k is equal to 1 to 81. Here f of 1 by 81 plus f of 2 by 82 plus f of 3 by 82 plus and so on. Last one is f of 81 by 82. Just to observe the last term, f of 1 by 81 plus f of 2 by 82 and so on. The last one can be written as 1 minus 1 by 82. Here 82 into 1 minus 1, 81 by 82. See the first and last terms here, f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. Now the second term, we observe the previous also, f of 1 minus 80 by 82 or 2 by 82 here. 2 by 82, 82 minus 2, 80 by 82 before term. And here f of 2 by 82 and f of 1 minus x is also 1. Now by continue the same notation of f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1. Now here 82 will be the last term. The middle one is f of 40 by 82. F of 40 by 82 also we get. Therefore first and last term is 1 and second and this one is 1. Therefore 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 40 times. 1 plus 1 plus and so on 40 times. The last one, the middle one is f of 41 by 82. F of 41 by 82. Here 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus and so on 40 means 40 plus 41 by 82. 41 by 82 means f of 1 by 2. 41 by 42 means 41 into 2 f of 1 by 2, or you can write that just 1 by 2 here. While substituting f of 1 by 2 also we get 1 by 2 here, or we substitute here just f of 1 by 2 value. F of 1 by 2 value here fx is equal to 2 power x by 2 power x plus root 2. F of 1 by 2 is equal to 2 power 1 by 2 by 2 power 1 by 2 plus root 2. Here 2 power 1 by 2 means this is root 2 and 2 power 1 by 2 also root 2. Root 2 by root 2 plus root 2. That is equal to root 2 by 2 root 2. Root 2 root 2 cancel, again we get 1 by 2. Here f of 1 by 2 value is 1 by 2. 40 plus 1 by 2. For 40 plus 1 by 2 means 2 into 40, 80 plus 1, 80 by 2. Now the final answer is 81 by 2. By solving this sum, the students think that here f middle term is f of 40, therefore 41 terms we obtain like that, just B is the correct answer like that. Just we observing that in this type of problems, the middle one is okay and the middle term means after that 40 after f of 41 by 8, this is also very important. Sometimes of course here f of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, directly it will come. Sometimes the value is changed, don't direct directly 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2, if you substitute 1 by 2 in the given function, then we get the value 1 by 2. Therefore the answer is 81 by 2. Therefore this is very important problem. In coming past 3 years, this model will come. If f of x plus f of 1 minus x is equal to 1, how you identify in this model f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1? Just see the answer, the question, you substitute a k is equal to 1 to 81, we observe that the first and last term f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1, then we can apply the total problem. First you show that f of x plus f of 1 by x is equal to 1, after that substitute is k is equal to 1 to 81, finally we get the answer. It's very important model. Definitely in 26, definitely this model will come. Thank you. JEE 2025 functions. See this problem, if f of x is equal to f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2, limit x tends to 0, 1 by lambda x minus f of x is equal to beta. Alpha beta belongs to R. Then alpha plus 2 beta is equal to 5, 3, 4, 6. See, if you observe the problem here, limit concept will be apply here, and the function is f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. We want to limit x tends to 0, 1 by alpha x minus f of x is equal to beta. Here fx is given. In this one fx is given. Now we simplify, we have to find out fx from this notation. See, if we observe this problem, easily we can identify f of 1 by x should be cancelled, then we get f of x. After getting f of x, we substitute f of x here, then we have to find alpha and beta. After finding alpha and beta, we have to find the value of alpha plus 2 beta. See, this is application formation. First, we observe what they want. క్వశ్చన్ని చూడంగానే భయపడకూడదండి, ఎట్లా చేయాలనేది ఆలోచిస్తే 2 minutesలో మీకు ఐడియా వచ్చేస్తుంది. హియర్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఈస్ గివెన్. ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్ ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ నొటేషన్. వాడు కూడా ఆన్సర్ రావాలంటే కొన్ని కనెక్షన్స్ ఇస్తాడు. ఆ కనెక్షన్స్ మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలిగితే ప్రాబ్లం ఆటోమేటిక్గా వచ్చేస్తుంది. హియర్ ఫస్ట్ ఈ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ ఎఫ్ ఎక్స్, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ఫా, ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఫైండ్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బీటా, then problem is very easy for you, alpha plus 2 beta. Yes, we observe this one, f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. Now in the place of x, we replace 1 by x. When x and 1 by x is there in the problem, have to find out fx or f of 1 by x. We cancellate any one of this, then we get the remaining answer. But today we want here in this problem f of x only. Therefore, if we cancel f of 1 by x, then we get the value of f of x. Now here in the place of x replaced by 1 by x, f of 1 by x 6 into, if we replace x by 1 minus x, it should be f of x, and 35 by 3 into in the place of x 1 by x by, here the denominator becomes the numerator, 35x by 3 minus 5 by 2. Now this is the first equation and this is the second equation. Now solving these two, here minus 6 into f of 1 by x. Our motto is to cancellation of f of 1 by x. Here f of 1 by x. Here 6 is there, here 6 is not there. Therefore multiply second equation into 6. Again I wrote the given equation here, f of x plus f of x minus 6 into f of 1 by x is equal to 6 into 35 by, no, there is no change in the first equation, 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. Second equation we multiply with 6, here f of x here. Therefore, we want to cancel f of 1 by x, no? Now multiply with 6 here, 6 into f of 1 by x, here 6 into 6, 36 into f of x is equal to 6 into 35, 6 into 35x by 3 minus 6 into 5 by 2. Now here 3 2s are 6 and here 2 into 2 3s. Now by addition 6 into f of 1 by x, 6 into f of 1 by x cancel. Now here f of x, 36 f of x here, and here 35 by 3x, here 2 into 35, 70x, and minus 3 into 5, 15. Just add these two, f of x are cancelled, and 36 plus f of x, 37 f of x is equal to, and here 35 by 3x, 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2, and here plus 70x, directly we can write 70x, and here minus 15. Here 70x will be there, here 3x will be there here, 37 is there. Now we cancel through outside, or we will take the LCM here. 35 by 3x plus 70x, 2 into 15, 30 minus 35 by 2. Just by observing these two, here also 35 into f of x, negative, 35, 35, 70, 35. Now 35 is the common factor. Now by cancellation here, minus f of x is equal to 1 by 3x plus 2x minus 1 by 2. By calculating, we get this equation. This is 2x and this is f of x. Now we have to find out f of x here. Already one minus we multiply here. F of x is equal to minus 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 minus 7 by 3 x. 3 into 2 minus 6x. 3 into 2, 3x plus 2x, 6 square plus 1 by 2. Now after finding f of x, or we keep here minus 1 by 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 2. This is f of x. Now we substitute f of x in the place of here 1 by lambda alpha x minus f of x is equal to beta. We replace here minus 1 by 3x minus 2x plus 1 by 2. Then we get the value of alpha and beta. After finding alpha, we get the value of beta. First of all, again, just please check it. F of x minus 6 into f of x, 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2. In the place of x, we replace 1 by x. F of 1 by x minus 6 into f of x. Here just minus here, because by changing x by minus x is equal to 35x by 3 minus 5 by 2. Now first equation is directly we can written, and second equation we multiply with 6 here. 6 into f of x by changing the signs here. I don't change the signs here. By change the signs, f of 1 by x cancel, and here f of x minus 36 f of x minus 35 f x, and here 35 by 3x minus 5 by 2, here minus 70x here, which are by changing the signs here, and this is plus 15. Already this is minus, we multiply by changing plus, that is equal to 15. Now 35 by 3x plus, here we change into, here already negative will be there, minus 70x, because this is separate one. When you subtract 35 by cx, minus of minus plus, minus into plus minus. That's why you should get minus here. For 35 by 3x, minus 70x, minus 5 by 2, minus 15, minus 35 by 2. Now minus by cancellation 35x here, f of x is equal to 35, 35, 2 and 35. F of x is equal to, here we multiply with 1 minus, then 1 by 3x minus 2x, because this is minus, and we multiply with minus plus 2x, and minus 1 by 2 here plus 1 by 2. For 2x minus 1 by 3x plus 1 by 2. Now by substituting f of x like that, this is just f of x value. Now limit x tends to 0, 1 by alpha x minus f of x is equal to beta. Now limit x tends to 0, 1 by alpha x minus f of x is like this. Just we multiply with minus plus 2x minus 1 by 2 is equal to beta. Just we observe that alpha x, and that is 3x just by comparing these two, if you get alpha is equal to 3, a direct answer, alpha is equal to 3 is the direct answer. Then alpha is equal to 3 we substitute here, then you have to find out the beta value. Or here x is equal to 0, here 2x, if x is equal to 0, this value is 0, then beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So here by comparing these two, alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now we substitute here alpha value and beta value here. As it is plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2. Then we have to find the alpha plus 2 beta. Alpha is equal to 3 and beta is equal to 1 by 2. Then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. Now the option is C. When these type of problems is given, f of x plus f of 1 by x, that type of problems is given, just to apply in the place of x, we replace 1 by 2. We replace 1 by 2, then find fx value. After getting fx here, we substitute the limit x tends to 0, then alpha x is 3x is equal to alpha is equal to 3, and if x is equal to 0, then beta is equal to 1 by 2. By substituting alpha plus 2 beta, 3 plus 2 into 1 by 2, the value is 4. It seems to be difficult, but when you solve it just by changing 1 and 2, just one mistake will be there, no? Just by practicing, that mistakes not happen. So, this is the model. Thank you. We continue the next problem.